Simple guide for RL78 G23 sensor software module. Sensor software modules can be used in RL78 G23 MCU. This is the structure of sensor software. This video introduces how to use the sensor software module, using the HS300X as an example. In this video, HS3001 is connected to the P-mod of the RL78 G23 fast prototyping board. Start creating a project. Select the target device and the debug hardware to be used. Finish creating the project. The Smart Configurator is opened after the project is created. Configure the debug hardware to be used on the System tab. Download sensor software on the Components tab. Select sensor software to be used in I2C communication middleware. After the download is complete, select HS300X sensor middleware. Sensor software uses an I2C driver. Add IIC communication, master mode. Select the resource. First, configure the I2C driver. Correct the clock mode setting. Uncheck to generate a stop condition when using the IICA resource. Second, configure I2C communication middleware. Select the I2C driver type. Set the component name of the I2C driver. Set the slave address. Set the callback function for sensor software. Last, configure HS300X sensor middleware. Enable an user callback function. Click Generate Code. After code generation, callbacks for I2C communication middleware must be added to I2C driver codes. Open the I2C driver user C source file. Add the I2C communication header file. Add the I2C communication callback function to interrupt handlers for send-receive end. Add the I2C communication callback function to the interrupt handler for error as well. Next, write application codes for HS300X sensor. Refer to HS300X sample software project on the Renesas Sensor Software page. Build project. After the build is complete, start a debug. Add a variable for HS300X sensor data to the Expressions tab. Enable real-time refresh. Start program running. Check current humidity and temperature values. This video introduces creating a new project. However, using sample projects, sensor data can be easily checked. Please download sample projects on the Renesas Sensor Software page.